There is one thing I dread and hate about when you're trying to go to bed. Is when you get the hiccups at the last minute. I haven't had in like 3 months. And the stupid things decide to show up right when I was lying down. I just get comfy. It was about 10, and then they went away. Then they lay down again, and I get them again. It's been off and on, seriously, all night. And I'm like, pull my hair up, but no thanks. I think I'd rather keep it for another bunch of years. Oh my god. Like, I cannot get rid of them, and I've tried, and I tried. I even tried reading. They say picturing your mind off of it might help. And my teacher used to laugh at me because I'm in a GED class, and they laughed at me because I used to get them when I was in class badly. And it was funny because the teacher would say, somebody's got the hiccups, and he would know who the heck it was. And I'm sitting there very embarrassed. Every time he mentioned it, I'm sitting there going, just be quiet and teach like you're supposed to. And I'm sitting there going, and typically right afterwards, I have a acid reflux issue, and usually that's what causes it. But in this case, it's just a regular case, I think. Back then, though, I had a really bad acid reflux. It was in issues, and I was sick a lot last year, too. I got that looked after. I'm back on... Moving along, what did I say? So, if anybody has any ideas to get rid of hiccups, like, seriously, I would be glad to know what you guys think I should do. Because I've tried every other thing out there. I've tried sugar, peanut butter, drinking any liquid. I've tried even drinking fast, drinking slow, drinking upside down, which caused water to go up my nose. That was in school. My teacher's wife said drink upside down out of the thing. I had a bad case that day, and she laughed so much when I used to get them. And I said, you're crazy, I'm going to end up choking. And she goes, no. So she tries it. Pardon my language. It was bad. I hiccuped in the middle of it, and then I poured water all the way down my nose. And I was coughing and borking and forcing and throwing out water. 3 in the morning, like seriously. And I gotta get up at 9. Ugh. And I didn't drink any alcohol. Nothing. I haven't had alcohol since my birthday, or, well, no, that's a lie. Last week. Last time was on my birthday before that. So it's really, really bad. So I've been reading this really good book, just to add a kind of like a blog to this. Terry Goodkind. Terry Goodkind. The Killers of Creation. I got the whole series. And I've been writing a novel about dragons and angels and demons. I hope to publish. Here's the center of the chest. I wish I could cure these things. If you guys have any other ideas on how to cure them, because I get them with my acid sometimes, that'd be great, without destroying me, hopefully. I hope to put some comedy on here soon. I'm quite funny, but lately I've been doing only late night videos, because I can't sleep. Sorry. So now I'm ready for school. I've got my book bag ready, everything. I'm in a new class this year. Probably have a new teacher, yet I don't get it. We're in the same room as my other teacher. Apparently, I'm in his class, maybe still, but with a teacher helping him because he's got so many students this year. I think it's because it's for people with higher level he can't get at. Right. I can't even talk. crazy. Here comes the fit. And then after that, they usually leave. It cracks my ribs at the bottom because I broke them at one point. Okay. Yeah, the Roddy's coming out of me now. Okay, so... Oh, they hurt. I was writing a lot, trying to see if they'd pass while I was writing, and that didn't work. I'm making a long video over me hiccuping because I have nothing else to do with my life tonight. What a long night. I'm so tired. Like, I've tried playing Zuma Blitz. I've tried playing Bejeweled Blitz. I'm on Facebook a lot, trying to just sleep and relax, and it's not working. I tried just laying here with a glass of soy milk or something and just trying to sleep. No can do. Just not happening. Just another day in paradise. So lovely night. Or morning, correction. Well, that's all I got for news. So that's about me hiccuping. What a lovely video. If anybody has any freaking ideas on how to get rid of them, let me know. Like I told you a few of them on how I thought I would cure them. It doesn't work. I'm going to go and try again. Wait. Oh, that didn't work. Damn! Like, really? If you're wondering why my hair is blowing, it's because I have a fan right there. I can't sleep with a fan, don't ask why. Now they're picking up pace at friggin' now, 3 in the morning. Well, I may as well try and get some sleep. Whoops. Try and get some sleep. Lay down with these buggers. Now, friggin' 3 o'clock in the morning. Does it really have to be at that time in the morning? And I don't need to put any disturbing comments on my videos just because it was a topic. It came up, I was hiccuping, so I thought, there's a topic. I guess you could call this the hiccup blog. There. Hiccups are evil. Stop interrupting my conversations, you stupid bloody diaphragmatic spasmy thingies. Have a good night or / evening, whatever you are. Talk to you later. I'm gonna try and have some sleep. Oh boy.